How to hide apps on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can hide apps on Android. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now you want to scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now you want to tap open any application that you want to hide. Now you want to tap on the disable option, then tap on disable app option. Once you do that, your app will be successfully hidden. So this is one way on how you can hide your apps. The second way is to open up your settings again. Here, you want to find the option of home screen. There you have hide apps on home and app screens option. Tap on that. Now you simply want to select the app that you want to hide, then tap on the done option. Now you will no longer find this app on your home screen as it has been successfully hidden. You can unhide your app anytime you want. Now, the third method on how you can hide your app is to create a new window. So let's say that you want to hide Facebook application. You simply want to drag it to the next window. Finally, another thing you can do is simply put a lock screen on your device so only you will be able to access your phone. For this, you can open up your settings and tap on the lock screen option. Then from here, you can put a lock screen which can be PIN, fingerprint, pattern, or password. And these are some ways on how you can hide apps on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.